It's kind of a turd, but then I hit a damn nail back there at the very beginning. Stretch all the way through the damn tree. Cut that off, but shit. Look. Holy crap. Barbed wire, son of a bitch. I didn't even see all that. My second log, it's kind of a turd, but it needs to be cut up. I'm just gonna cut it up and get what I can out of it, because I don't know what else to do with it. It's shorty, maybe 5 foot or so, but the problem is, on this end, got a little bad hole in it there. I don't know how deep that runs. I mean, it looks good over here. Cut it up, take a peek. And this thing is nasty. Look, I don't know what I'm gonna get out of it. But you know, it's gotta be cut up, otherwise it just sits here. I hit a damn nail back there at the very beginning. Something big spark. Now it's just nose down. Three nails. You know, to be honest with you, that looks like barbed wire. That might stretch all the way through the damn tree. That right there, yeah, look. Look, there's barbed wire running through there. And there's no telling. Look. This wire. There's really no telling which way that barbed wire runs. It looks like it's running straight down. I might cut that off, but shit. Look. Holy crap. Barbed wire there. Coming through. This whole side. There's a bunch of barbed wire right there. I don't even remember where I got this tree. Look. Barbed wire, son of a bitch. I didn't even see all that. That might be it for this log. I don't know if I'm willing. I could flip it on its end and maybe get some off of that far side. But once I hit barbed wire, there goes another blade. And the log ain't that great of a log, but you know, what the hell am I do with it? It'd make a nice mantle, really. A little thick. Put a new blade on it, flipped it on the side. Hopefully I can get a couple cuts out of it. Get it down at least where it's a little lighter. And I can maneuver it by hand. But let's just see what happens. Bit out of that barbed wire log. Cost me a $15 blade, but I got 2 6-footers. One I'll probably get a 5-foot out of, and then one of them probably a 4-foot, but it's gonna be nice, pretty. Let me show it to you. It's gonna be some pretty floorboards. I mean, it's where it is solid, it's solid. Ain't no rot. This one here is right on the end, but I think I can cut it right about there and get that whole section. Got 4 decent boards. We're gonna call this day a wrap. It didn't end too good, but it ended. Thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button. Maybe I got plenty of more to cut up, and I'm gonna build a deck out of them is my plan. But anyhow, thank you for watching.